Good morning students and welcome to our online classes of English language standard 5th. Students, before we could start our today's lesson, I would like to introduce myself to you. As you know, my name is Mrs. Chandraprabha Kiran Jadhav and I am your grammar teacher for this whole year. Students, before this, you may have get the notice that you are passed and promoted to standard 5th. So, now you are in 5th standard. So, now we are going to start our studies from today. Okay? So, students, as you know that, in short, we are saying that today is our grammar period. But students, from today you have to use another word for grammar and that is English language. So keep this habit of saying instead of grammar you have to say English language. Okay. So whenever I am saying that I welcome all of you to our online classes of English language, it means that I am welcoming you to our online classes of grammar. Okay. So, in the previous year, you have studied grammar. In the previous year also, because of this COVID-19, it is a pandemic. And so, we have to attend the online classes. So, in the previous year also, you have attended the online classes and you have given online examinations and you have passed and promoted now to 5th standard. So students, it is said that well begun is half done. So students, from today we are going to start our online classes, online periods of English language so that you will understand grammar step by step and I will make it easy to understand you the terms of grammar easily. Okay. So, in the previous year also you have studied grammar thoroughly, but this year we are going to study grammar step by step and in detail. So, for that you will need grammar book. I know that now it is not possible for you to purchase the grammar textbook, but I can show you the picture of your grammar textbook and soon you will get all the textbook in the school. Okay. So, this is your English grammar textbook that we are going to study for this year. The name of the book is Anytime English Grammar and Composition. Okay. In this book, you will get all the information about the grammar, all the terms of grammars that we are going to study step by step. So, don't worry, I will help you to understand all the terms of the grammar very easily. I will make it very easy to you to understand better and soon you will revise it very easily. Okay. So, this is all about your grammar textbook and soon in the next period I will provide you the syllabus that we are going to study this year. Okay. So, in that you will study about the nouns, about the pronouns, about the verb, adverbs, adjectives, then all the tenses in detail, and this will help you to get fluency in English. Okay. So, if you want to build a building, students, if you want to build a building, you will need to build the base of that building first. And when you will build the base, then only you can make or you can construct a base also, the base of English language. So if you want to master over English language, you have to make your base very perfect. Okay? If once you have made that base very perfect, then only you can speak English very fluently. Okay? So I hope that you have understood each and everything that I have explained to you. But then also, if you are having any difficulties, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number from morning 7 to evening 7. Dear students, I know that because of this COVID-19, you were doing online classes, you were doing online studies, and because of that, a very huge period of time you have spent, and now there is a lot of gap into your studies. But don't worry about that. I will help you to overcome all your difficulties of grammar and make it easy to understand you. Okay? So I would like to stop here. We will meet in the next period with our syllabus. I will tell you each and every part of the syllabus and about the notebooks you will require to study grammar, which notebook you want to use for English language, and what is the syllabus and how we are going to complete it step by step. So till then, I would like to stop here. You have to take care of yourself and keep smiling. Bye bye.